Hi, everybody. Now let's take a look at problem 1.32. This problem is going to ask us a little bit more about power. All right, so the problem says the voltage and current across a certain device, it doesn't matter what the device is given by these two equations. We have a voltage as a function of time and a current as a function of time. The things that we want to find out in this problem are the instantaneous power at two different times, so time t equals 0 and time t equals 3. And then in part B, we want to find the cumulative energy delivered to the device across that total amount of time from time equals 0 all the way to time equals infinity. So for part A, let's remember that P equals VI. And this is an equation that you can find in your textbook. And let's take a look. What do we have? Well, we do have an equation, VI, or V of t, and an equation I of t. So we can create a expression for power as a function of time. So power as a function of time is going to be the voltage as a function of time multiplied by the current as a function of time. So we can write this 100 1 minus t, and this is in volts. And then this is being multiplied by 30 e to the minus 0.2 t. And you can see that this is in milliamps. So let's use our knowledge about units that we had previously and write 10 to the minus 3 here. Now this is an expression for power as a function of time. You can take time equals 0 and evaluate this at p equals t0 and also at p equals time of 3 seconds in order to get the final answer for this problem. And those final answers should be something like 0 and 0.74 milliwatts. Now, what about problem B? Well, in problem B, we need to remember the amount of energy. And so we have an expression that is an integral from 0 to time infinity of power being integrated by dt. And so from our previous problem, we already found this, right? We have expression for PT from part A. And we can integrate that from 0 to infinity to get the cumulative energy delivered. So that's the total amount of energy delivered to that device from time equals 0 to time equals infinity. And when you do this integral, what you should get is an answer around 7.5 joules. All right, thank you, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.